so happy to see you. I'm Shamapte and it's so good to have you here. And today I have 5 best Korean skincare products I have used till date. It was quite difficult to boil it down to 5, just 5, because there are so many good stuff, but here it is, the best of the best. First I have Isntree green tea toner. This is the best toner I have ever used for soothing my skin. It has very good amount of green tea, it has centella. This is so good. If you want a toner for oil control, if you want a toner to balance your skin, to soothe your skin, this is it. It is lovely, especially for Indian summer. This is perfect toner. This is the best of the best, and no toner soothes my skin as good as Isntree green tea toner. But if you want something more nourishing, because this toner is very soothing but not that hydrating, so if you want something more hydrating and soothing, then go for Max milky toner. That is awesome as well. But if you want to like soothe your skin and you want something cooling, something refreshing for your skin for hotter months, then this is the toner for you. Next I have something that gives me glow. This is Cosrx galactomyces, but if your skin is allergic to fermented ingredients, then this is not for you. But I love this essence. This is hydrating, it gives me glow, and I have noticed galactomyces works really well for my skin, especially when my skin feels dull. It works really well. It also evens out the skin tone. It can be used every day. Now I have Chosun cleansing balm. This is my most favorite cleansing balm ever. Even if I have to choose between a cleansing oil and balm, I'm gonna choose this balm. It is beautiful. It works so well for my skin. It removes makeup, dirt, sunscreen without stinging my skin, without stinging my eyes. It emulsifies beautifully. My skin just feels so happy and glowy after using this balm, and I love this. I have used many cleansing balms, then oils, this and that, and I have found many good options as well, but if I have to pick one for life, I'm gonna pick Joseon's cleansing balm. Next I have Acwell licorice serum. I can't find it anymore because this is out of stock here, but this is the best Korean serum I have ever used for glowing skin. I'm so sad I can't find it. This was magic in a bottle, you know. It brightens my skin, it soothes my skin, it evens out the skin tone. It was so good. I can use that for life, to be very honest, but yeah, this is out of stock. But I'm loving this Roundup Pine serum as well for soothing and healing my skin. Very lightweight serum, very good formulation, but I really miss that Acwell licorice serum. The last product I have is Midnight Blue Calming Cream. I have been using this for a long time. Love it. Very beautiful cream for supporting your skin barrier, to healing your skin. For summer months it can feel a bit heavy, to be very honest, but I like to use it for night time. And for winters you can use this for day, for night. A beautiful cream. I also have 2 honorable mentions. One is this I'm From Honey mask. This is the most nourishing mask I've ever used. And then I have this by Wishtrend mandelic acid toner. This toner is magic. If you have texture skin, if you have dull skin, it works so good. But don't use this every day. Use this thrice in a week, and yeah, it does the magic. I love this toner. It does work for textures, whiteheads, dull skin. It is lovely. So yeah, here you have it, my favorite Korean skincare products. I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for being there. I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.